Hey, what's going on, people of the internet? My name is Kylie LeBeau, and I'm an avian award-winning cam model, and we both know why you're here. I tend to talk about a lot of TMI related things, so if you like that kind of thing, feel free to subscribe, check out my channel, whatever. Now, if you are interested in some backdoor action, the first thing you need to do is clean out. There are various ways of cleaning out. One way is to use an enema. Some people like using shower attachments. I do not like doing that because I like waste going down the toilet. So I like to use enemas, and I like using the Walgreens brand of enema. It looks like this. There are other brands like Fleet. That's for you to explore, so try different brands, see what works best for you. They're all pretty much the same. All the tips will be lubricated. They'll have saline on the inside. Empty out the saline. You do not want this saline inside of you. It will cause some really nasty cramping. Instead, replace this with some lukewarm water. Prior to cleaning out, what I like to do, I like to take an Imodium beforehand. It's kind of like an insurance policy. Make sure that I am safe during the act. I don't have to worry about anything. Look into that beforehand, but I like to take an Imodium at least 20 minutes before I start cleaning out. But after I replace the saline with the water, what you're gonna do is you're gonna get down into a downward dog position, let all that water go through your intestines. I like to sit down there for like 5 minutes or so, and then I'll do like downward dog and then the cat position. I'll show you guys exactly what I'm talking about in a clip somewhere on the screen, but that's what I like to do. I like to really make sure that the water is, doing its thing. And then you're gonna wanna do that until the water runs clean. Obviously, everyone's body is different. It might take some people 30 minutes, could take some people an hour. I don't like going any more than an hour to an hour and a half because I feel like beyond that, it's just, there's no point in continuing. So after I've done that and the water's run clean or clear, what I like to do next is I like to prepare myself. So I have an anal size kit that I got from Amazon. I just go from the smallest one to the largest one. That doesn't take me any longer than 30 minutes. You don't want to toy around or play around too much with the area because then you're running the risks of tears or ripping something, and that is definitely something we want to avoid. When I'm doing that, I'm obviously loaded up with lube. And so what I also love doing, and this is a great tip, is getting a lube shooter. You can get these online. Load that thing up with some lube and shoot it inside. That stuff is like, it's amazing. It's making your non-lubricated vessel lubricated. So get yourself a lube shooter. Those are basically all the tips that I have. Make sure that you're clean. Take an Imodium if you're unsure, or just as an insurance policy. Play around a little bit with a size kit, and then I also use a lube shooter. So yeah, those are my anal tips. If you have any more, feel free to leave them down below for someone else, and I will be seeing you until next time.